Okay, balik kayo sir. Balik. Okay, you ready? First ball para sa team ng DRS. Inside pass sa ilalim, good for two. Unang puntos para sa team ng DRS. Long three, Manala. Review. There's Alicia Anderson-Powell, committed to number 12. First personal foul, personal foul. Setting a play, getting a pass, number 18. Number 18. To number 33. Isel Mariano to Manalang, to the center, good for Theo. 5-2. Getting a pass, Isel Gitalig. Cross pass, si teammate number 8, long two, wala. Rebound pa rin para sa team ng BLDRS. Sanchez. Wala. Rebound para sa team ng UET. Binigay pass. Number 23, Mariano. Paborito ng tira. Wala. Ang gawa sa rebound, Mariano pa rin. Kasi wala. It's a DRS ball. Number 12, Mr. Galigoy. Number 8, Guananan to number 77. Pinagay pass, Galigoy, wala. Rebound para sa team ng UED. Manalang drives, Manalang ipinilit, good for two. Minamalang ang depensa ni Mr. Manalang. Kitalig sa tres, in and out, rebound, si Polian. What is taking a shot clock? Long two, number 8, wala. Rebound para sa team ng UET. Binigay pass, Manalang. Lane pass, number 15, intercepted. Number 8, Gunanan, binigay pass to Mr. Kitalig, to Galigoy. Galigoy foul. There's a whistle. Foul number 20. First personal foul, first team foul. Mr. Kitalig, to Gunanan. Galigoy, aamba sa tres, wala. Rebound para sa team ng UET. Number 15, Mananis, binigay pa sa Mariano. Mariano long chair, bang! Napakapagdara ng galaw. Almost intercept, Galigoy, nakawala sa depensa. Extra pass, Kitalig, long three, wala. Rebound para Mr. Mariano, tumanalang. Mariano pa rin, big pass. Nagpapasan, pinasa sa kalaban. Number 17, lazy rin. And there's a foul committed to number 18. First personal foul, second team foul. First wise, yun. 3-9. Second drive, Sanchez, wala. Sanchez pa rin makakapulot. Sanchez, number 12. Galigoy sa tres, in and out. Rebound. Team ng UED. Lipas, Mariano, number 15. Nabitawan. Si number 8, Mr. Gunanan. Gunanan now. Looking for his teammate. Good lang yan. Isang Kitalik, 15 na shot clock. Kunanan, Tukaligo ay babalik ang bola at Kunanan. Floater shot, wala. Rebound. Para sa team, UET, Mariano. Matatabigan ng bola, there's a whistle. There's a foul, number 3, Mariano. First personal foul on you, Mariano. And a third team foul. Change 5, be ready. 5 minutes, 24 seconds. 12 second shot clock. 10 second shot clock. Wala. It's an offensive foul on you. Number 5-7. Mariano, tumalang, bounce pass. Masusundutan. Mr. Kitalig. Kitalig now, binigay pass. Number 17. Is the same ball. Sige. Change 5. Number 13, Pangan sa 3, wala. Rebound. Pass din ng UET. Number 2 now, binigay pass. Number 25, Mapano. Biglang kamera sa 3, Mapano. Clear. He's 112-3. Mr. Whistle is traveling. Take a pass, almost intercept. Long to you, yes sir. Number 13, Kapangan. Pangan now, 15 on the shot clock. Pangan drives, masusundutan. Pangan na cover. There's a whistle. Down on you, number 29. First personal foul on you, Bimbo, and a warning for a penalty. First try, Pangan, skid. Pangan, second try, pasok pa rin. Score natin, 5-14. May bilang. Biggie pass, number 29, Bimbo. Number 17, si number 2. Number 17, 3, in and out. Recover number 25, the extra pass. Wide open, number 25, wala. Yung pa rin yan. And foul. Foul number 2, number 3, 4. Penalty na. Score 6-14. Number 2, Bimbo. Number 17, first ground, long 2. Sumamasa ba? Sabay Gamos. Binigay pass, Mr. Pangan. Cross pass, number 21. Feliciano, extra pass, wala. Ano sa rebound? Napupunta sa team ng UET. Bempa pa rin. Number 25, Mr. Mapano. Extra pass sa 3, wala. Kuha pa rin ang team ng UET. Mr. Mapano. Pabibitawa ng bola. Pangan. Good lang yan. Pangat pa rin. Masyadong malakas. Ipinasa sa kalaban. Number 13, Pangan. Big bar. Wala. Pangan. There's a whistle. Foul number 11. First personal foul, William Moore. And a penalty. First try, Jock Pangan pasok. Second try, pasok. And a timeout para sa team ng UET. Score natin 8-14. Okay, back to the ball game. Number 11, William Moore. Binigay pass, number 17, Mr. Pascual. To number 2, Tempo. Pass, to Pascual, tries to three, Pascual. 28. Matatapigan ng bola. It's on, single. Number 10, nabitawan. Hindi ko ganyan mo umibalik. Number 2, Mr. Bempo, the point guard. Bempanel. Binigay pass, Mapano. Mapano drives, Mapano extra pass. Long two, Awa is good. So that 19-8 on Singalamangan para sa team ng UET. Intercepted, last 55 seconds. It's traveling. Number 34, Feliciano. To number 10. It's traveling. Forty seconds now. Number 25, long two, yes sir. 30 seconds. Mr. Jock Pangan. There's a whistle, foul number 17. Penalty na rin yan. Penalty ang first personal foul, 17. First try para Mr. Pangan, wala. Second try, wala pa rin. 19 seconds, wala tayong shot clock. Wait for the buzzer. Mapano, binigay pass. 10 seconds. 5 seconds, wait for the buzzer. And the first quarter official score 23-8. Change time. Third five. UET mo tayo, UET mo.
Ready, yellow.
Gonna get pass. Number 36, Fred. Mayawak. Down number 19, Lindell. Second shot clock. Number 25, gonna get pass. Paid. 10 seconds. Extra pass sa ilalim to the big man. Number 12, Kaligoy. Number 26, Laisirin, wala. Agawa sa rebound, Kuya Latino BLDRS. Kaligoy, the number 77 is going to get away, good for you. Gonna get pass. 15-second shot clock. Is that Manalang? Manalang yung pinitin napasabit. Kaya number 27. Second personal foul on you, number 27. Second team foul. Second try, pasok. Score natin 10 to 24. Dedicate pass, take down, long three, wala. Rebound, back over, it's on. Number 25. Number 3, wala. There's a whistle, pushing foul. Number 3. First personal foul, first team foul. Line violation. Cruz now setting a play. Cruz winning it pass, number 36. Cross long three, wala. Rebound, para start it down. Number 12, Kaligoy 1 versus 1 situation. Kaligoy, yes sir. 12-24, kalahati. Intercepted. Kaligoy all alone basket. 14-24, Sampok. Number 95, please. Getting it pass, fake. 15-second shot clock to the center. Yung pa rin yan. 7-second shot clock. Dito mama. Keep up here. Requesting timeout. BLDRS. Okay, back to the ball game. Long two, yes sir. 16-26. That's the pass. Cruz sa press, wala. Rebound para sa team ng BLDRS. Isang Kitalig drive sa red direction. May nakasabit. Penalty number 3. O sige, si Spike na rin tayo. Second personal foul, Figueroa. Second team foul. First drive, pasok. Second try, wala. O sige, start na si Sir. Kitalig. Binigay pass, number 35, Mr. Mapano. Mapano pump, fire, yes sir. 28-17. Mr. Jock Bangan, extra pass, Bangan, wala. Mapano on the bell. To Mariano. Mapano pa rin. Mariano Quay. Drives, extra pass. Inside pass. Wala yan. Isang elbow. Jock Bangan. Inside pass, ang gandang pasa, hindi lang na-convert. Rebound para sa team ng UET. Sibo. Ten second shot clock. Mariano, 3, bang! Mr. Bangan, cross pass to Bangan. Tricky pass, long boy to Bangan. Bangan, pump. There's no whistle. Foul number 20. Second personal foul on you, 13 foul. Simbol tayo. 13 second shot clock. Kunanan. Simbol tayo. 10 on the shot clock. Number 13, Bangan. Masusundutan. Simbol, 7 second shot clock. Mr. Feliciano. Wala pa rin. Simbol tayo, 14 second shot clock. Mr. Bangan, wala. Number 34, Feliciano, wala pa rin. Kuha rin yan ng BLDRS. Intercepted para sa team ng UET. Good lang yan. Number 15, Isa Manalis masusundutan. Jock Bangan nagmamadali. 3 versus 2 situation. Jock Bangan dala-diretso. Wala. Number 8, Kunanan. Tupangan. Pick. Drive. There's a whistle. Foul number 1, 8. Second personal foul, Pineda, warning for penalty. Number 13, Bangan. To Feliciano, pick. Drive, it's a double dribble. Number 33 is Mariano. Mariano setting a play. Mariano pa rin. 12 second shot clock to the big man. Number 15, putatang inabot. Kuya na din ang BLDRS. Number 39, Jock Laman. Tukunanan, yes sir. 1931. Mariano. Oh, looking for his teammate to number 25. 10 second shot clock. Long three. Wala. Rebound para sa team ng BLDRS. Feliciano. Extra pass. Bangan. Isip the glass. Good for you. 21-31. Babasa po. Last 40 seconds. Number 25, Mariano sa tres, in and out. Rebound para sa team ng BLDRS. 30 seconds tayo. Number 13, Pangan, wala. Put back, wala pa rin. Last 22 seconds, wala tayong shot clock. Wait for the buzzer. 15 seconds. Intercepted, 10 seconds, wait for the buzzer. 5 seconds. Okay, 23-21 para sa ating first half.
Paddan mo gitu. Cugen, paddan mo.
Manalang, extra pass, nabitawan. Manalang recover, 14 second shot clock, Mariano. Kick out pass, 10 second shot clock. Number 95, please, one under shot, good for you. Ipinilit, wala. Rebound, Manalang, lead pass, saktong-sakto lang. Mariano, paborito ng tira, wala. Rebound para kay number 27, binigay pass. Kitalig. Kitalik now, Kitalik drives. And one basket, penalty number 36. One shot is good, 26-33. Pito lang. Long three, bang! Binigay pass. Itali, number 27. Matatalakot pa rin yan. It's a traveling na yan. Sarter. 3-4 out. Cruz now. Cruz na rin ang tatawid. Number 25, Mapano. Hey! Back to back 3. Para siya Mapano. 26-39. Mr. Jock Pangan. Kick out. Kaligoy. Pay. Extra pass para kay Mr. Pangan. Basang-basa ang manalang. Outer steal ang likit. Kaligoy wala. The big man. Mapano. Mariano. Mapano na naman. Pay. Drives long two. Yes sir. Reversing timeout. Dia Reyes. Back to the ball game. Number 77. Kitalik now. Siya na ang magtatawid. Kitalik to the wing side. Kaligoy. Babalik ang bola kay Kitalik. Kitalik quick. Pass. Jock Pangan drives. Pangan pa rin. There's a whistle. Down Number 2, fight. First personal foul on you, second team foul. Number 13, Pangan, quick. Drive, sweet pass to Jock Pangan. At may kasama pang foul. Basket count tayo. Pangan, 26. Sartar. Number 3 out, Cruz out. 7 out. Malayan. Rebound. Big pass, number 27. Butatang inabot. Dahan-dahan lang mga sir. Interceptor para Mr. Pangan. Pangan now, Pangan drives. Kick out, number 12. Good for you. 32-41. Manalang. Ay napasabit. Penalty committed to number 13. First personal foul, first team foul. Sartar, Mariani out. (32-42), 10 lang yan. 4 minutes and 23 seconds. Number 12, Danigo to Pangan. Pangan now, cross pass. Jack Pangan wide open, 3, awa, wala. Agawan sa rebound, mananatili sa team ng BLDR Escalitor. Girls, yes sir. Wala lang. Number 45, Manalang. Manalang, Pong. Fire, yes sir. Iba na ang veterano. Pangan. Pangan. Intercepted. Counter steal, Mr. Sanchez. Number 13, Pangan. Sweet pass. Number 17, wala. Number 13, in and out. Good lang yan. Rebound, mga lang. Intercepted ni Jock Pangan. Pangan now. Good for you. 36-44, wala. Siapa na? There's a whistle. Dalang. Kaya number 2, 7. Sub tayo. Wala pa. Warning pa lang. Joke pa out. Sub tayo. Warning for penalty, warning. Number 8, Kunalan. Laging Pamliano. Penalty na yan, penalty. Sab tayo. Dalawa, sir. First drive, pasok. 37-45. Second drive, pasok ulit. 38-45, pito lang. Number 2, Mr. Bianco, setting a play. Bianco.